My name is Ed Hermson. I'm with First City Mortgage Group here in Fort Collins, Colorado, and going to be talking today about some down payment assistance programs in Colorado and what is a mortgage tax credit certificate and do I qualify for it? Down payment programs. There are several different down payment programs out there. There's CHAPA, which is the first slide you'll see here, which stands for Colorado Housing Finance Authority. You'll see the income levels listed there. You have to be under those levels to qualify for the program. You have to have a 620 credit score. There's a minimum of $1,000 required on this loan. And remember, this is 100% financing with the exception of the $1,000. The 3% down payment is covered with a second mortgage with CHAPA. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer in a targeted county. A targeted county is Weld County right now in our area. The next program under CHAPA is a CHAPA Advantage program. Now this is a conventional loan, is 3% down, and does not require mortgage insurance. Credit scores have to be a little higher in this one, 680. But the great news is that the down payment can come from a family or from another assistance program, which is a great opportunity for you. Again, in Weld County, because it's targeted, you can take advantage of this program even if you're not a first-time home buyer. So this is another CHAPA program, guys. This program is unique in the fact that you can do a first and second mortgage on a conventional loan. Most of your first and seconds typically you can only do with an FHA loan. And as we talk through the process, you will learn that mortgage insurance on FHA loans is quite a bit higher versus the conventional. So this is a good option for you to look at. It's a 640 credit score. Again, you have lower monthly mortgage insurance, especially compared to your FHA product. And you don't have to be a first-time home buyer in a target area, Weld County being an example of that program. CHAC, which is Colorado Housing Assistance Corporation, is a great program for statewide funding. This program does have lower income restrictions, but you can use up to $5,000, and this can be used for your down payment. This is a monthly payment, and you have to be a first-time home buyer to take advantage of CHAC. City of Fort Collins also has a program. It's a great option for people in the Fort Collins area. Again, the income levels are listed there. Nice thing with this program, guys, it's $10,000, but you don't have to pay it back until you sell the property. So there's no monthly payment. You do have to have a certain percentage of your own funds into this, which basically is 1% of the purchase price. Hi, another great program out there is the Larimer County Assistance Program. This program offers up to $10,000. You have to be in Larimer County. You must use the City of Fort Collins, however, if you're buying in Fort Collins. This is everywhere but Fort Collins. You'll see the income levels listed there. Again, the borrower has to have 1% of the purchase price into the transaction and a minimum down payment of at least $1,000. Mortgage Credit Certificate. Here we are, guys, the CHAPA MCC. Okay, guys, so the CHAPA MCC, guys, is a really option that anybody that's buying a house should take advantage of if you qualify for this program. This CHAPA MCC, or Mortgage Credit Certificate, lets you claim 20, 30, or even 50% of your mortgage interest on your taxes, which amounts to thousands and thousands of dollars in savings over the life of the loan. The real awesome part with this program, guys, is you don't have to get a CHAPA loan. It can be done on any loan program. USDA, VA, conventional, or FHA. Guys, this program is even better than the $8,000 tax credit. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We don't know how long the IRS is going to let this program be around for. Again, it's a minimum of 20% interest you pay over and comes back as a tax credit. It reduces the amount you pay to the IRS, guys, which saves you thousands every year potentially. The savings are huge, guys. You can't afford not to take advantage of this great program. So, how do I qualify for this program, guys? One, you have to meet the income and purchase price limits. You have to have a credit score over 640. Remember, guys, if you don't have that, I can help you get your credit scores up. This has to be your principal residence, guys, unless, remember, you're in a targeted area, or if you're a veteran even. The income levels and purchase price restrictions are listed on the screen here for you, so pay attention to that as you look at going with this program. Guys, I did a quick illustration, took this right off the CHAPA MCC website. This shows a customer who is making $50,000 a year annually. In the blue, they did a mortgage. They took the traditional mortgage interest. In the red, they take advantage of the tax credit. Guys, here's what's really going to hit home for you. The refund back to you. 74A at the bottom of the screen shows in the blue, again, that's a customer who took his normal mortgage interest. He gets a refund of $624. In the red, this person took advantage of the tax credit. Same purchase price, same, everything else is same on this file, guys. But in this particular case, he's getting $1,665 back on his taxes. Okay, guys, I'm really excited about this program. It's called an NHF. It's a down payment program. This program is unique in the fact that the down payment or the grant you get, you do not have to pay back. So with all the other programs we talked about, with the City of Fort Collins, CHAPA, and CHAC, the second or the grant is money you have to pay back either monthly or at the end of the loan. This program gives you a true grant up to 5% for an FHA, VA, or USDA of the loan amount, and up to 4% on a conventional mortgage, which really leaves you just 1%. So on this program, it's a 5% conventional product, so 4% of that can be a grant, and up to 5% on the FHA or VA. So on the FHA, if you have 3.5% down, you can do the 5% grant and cover most of your closing costs as well. So really great program. And then guys, here is your information regarding what your income has to be under to qualify for this program. It has two sets of income limits, one for an FHA, VA, USDA, which you'll see Larimer and Weld County's amounts there, and then Fannie Mae or conventional mortgages listed there as well. So as long as you're under those levels, you will qualify for this program. One unique feature to this program, guys, is the fact that the income they look at is only the people that are on the application. So if you can qualify on yourself and don't need maybe your wife or your husband's income, you can just use your income and qualify for this program, which makes it a little unique. Most programs require all household income be verified, even if you're not on the mortgage. Well, guys, that's it for the PowerPoint. I hope you found the information to be helpful, and I hope I can help you in the purchase of your next home. You've got my phone number there, 970-690-8276, or email me at ed.hermston@mtggroup.com. I would love to be the guy to help you buy your first house, and thank you, and have a